Okay, we're gonna put some water. Pouring some water here. We already done it this morning and yesterday. We just want to show you in the video that we've done it, and we actually put our hand down here behind the carpet. We couldn't see anything. The water test, as you can see, we done it for half an hour. We couldn't find any water down here because the amplifier was wet from before. But the most important thing, like I said in the previous video, you need to fix that first so we can open the roof up and then test the actual drain properly. That's the only way to do it. Right now we're just testing it like that, and we couldn't find any water leak underneath here. It's dropping down to about 8 degrees now. So the aircon's running about 8 degrees, 8. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.